Today we're making a super cute baby boy baby shower invitation using one of Templett's stock designs, so no need to start from scratch. Let's do this. Alright, I'm starting by picking a stock design that feels just right. This one looks perfect. Now let's make it our own. I'm going to swap out the baby shower heading, so I'll click on the text pane and select a new one. Let's go with baby boy. Next, let's update the font for the name and the RSVP section. I'm using the arrow keys to scroll through a few options. It's super easy to preview different looks. Oh, I'm really liking Anastasia's script. It's got that pretty handwritten vibe. Let's go with it. By the way, Anastasia's script is a premium stock template font, so if you want to enable it, just head over to Manage Fonts, Stock Fonts, and switch it on. I'll use the same font for the RSVP so it all feels nice and cohesive. Now for a little fun, let's add a cute illustration. I'm typing in blue to see what comes up. This little bear holding a balloon? That's the one. I'll drag it in. And yep, it fits perfectly. Okay, let's tidy things up a bit. I'll move the text over to the right so it balances out with the bear on the left. And to wrap it up, let's change the font color so it matches the balloon. Just a small touch, but it really ties everything together. And just like that, we've got a fresh, adorable baby boy invitation that's ready to add to your digital shop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick design tutorials. We're so thankful for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.